My name is Matteo. I am a student at the New Jersey Institute of Technology studying mechanical engineering. I'll be graduating this spring as a member of the class of 2025. I specialize in design here at JAKTOOL. I focused on learning more about complicated mates in SolidWorks assemblies and how mechanical parts mate together. I wanted to expand upon my knowledge I previously had from school, and I think I was able to do that here. There was definitely several, but the glaring one was GD&T, which stands for geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. It simply just talks about how parts do not come out perfectly as they were intended to from CAD into the real world. There are deviations in the manufacturing process, and GD&T allows you to account for that so things can still fit together even if things don't go according to plan. It definitely came from one of the brainstorms that I was lucky enough to be a part of. Collaborating with others is how engineering works, especially in the design world. We were able to combine several of our ideas into one complicated idea, basically taking aspects from each individual person and combining them into one. That way everybody's opinion is not only accounted for, but the best thing comes out from it. A lot of the advice I'd received in that area came more from bouncing back from mistakes. One of my managers had always said to document all of the feedback I'd received and any criticism or something I had done wrong. If I made a mistake, basically document what happened, why it happened, and how I can bounce back from it. And the biggest thing was just to get up on the horse. That happened once. I 3D printed a part. I didn't account for something correctly. I realized the problem and I was able to bounce back from it, and that's what it's all about. Honestly, all of it, seeing how professional engineers interact with one another while being respectful of each other's ideas, they come out with the best thing on top. Besides from that, definitely would be being a cost-effective engineer, something I learned about here. In school, you design things all the time, but this is the first time I've seen the prices associated with purchasing different COTS items and materials. So not only being aware of that, but also making a good product so you're not cutting costs too much. It's all about that balance between making something that is durable enough and strong enough to sell to the client, but also being cost-effective and not breaking the budget.